Hello student, good morning. Student, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is the combustion and flame. What does mean of the combustion? You have studied in your earlier classes that about the combustion. Combustion means burning of any substance. किसी भी चीज का दहन होना, उसका जलना combustion कहलाता है. For example, you have studied the some activity in your earlier classes like the burning of the magnesium ribbon. Burning of the magnesium ribbon, when the magnesium wire burns in the presence of the air, the magnesium oxide is formed and some heat energy and light energy is produced. And another example may be the burning of the charcoal. Burning of the charcoal, in this chemical reaction, the carbon dioxide gas is produced and some heat energy and light energy is produced. So student, in our common words, we can understand that combustion is actually the burning of any substance. But how can we define the combustion? How can we define the combustion? So student, we have to know what is the definition of the combustion. Combustion is a chemical process. Combustion is a chemical process in which a substance react with oxygen and give off heat energy. कंबशन है वो एक केमिकल प्रोसेस है. इस केमिकल प्रोसेस में कोई भी सब्सटेंस है वो बर्न होता है एंड इन दिस प्रोसेस इट रिएक्ट विद द ऑक्सीजन. ये ऑक्सीजन के साथ में रिएक्ट करता है और हीट एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करता है. तो इस कंप्लीट केमिकल प्रोसेस को हम कंबशन कहते हैं. नाउ द कंबस्टिबल substance or fuel. What is the combustible substance? The substance which undergoes combustion is called combustible substance. कोई भी सब्सटेंस जिसका कंबशन होता है उसको ही हमने कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस कहा है. और अनदर नेम मे बी द फ्यूल. इसको हम फ्यूल भी कह सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट, वी नो वेरी वेल दैट देयर आर द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ द फ्यूल्स आर प्रेजेंट एट आवर अर्थ like the petrol, diesel, cow dung, wooden blocks is also used as the fuel to get energy. So we can say that the fuel or the combustible substance may be present in the different state like the solid, liquid and gas. They may be present in the different state like the solid, liquid and the gas. So student, we have understood here the different example of the combustion like the burning of the magnesium wire. Another example may be the burning of the charcoal. Burning of the charcoal, in this process the carbon dioxide is produced, heat energy, light energy is produced. And the another important example of the combustion may be the oxidation of our food. After the digestion of the food and absorption of the food, the oxygen we will take or inhale, this oxygen react with this digested food and the energy is released. That is the important example of the combustion which occurs in our body. So student, we have know here what is the combustion, some example of the combustion. Now we have to know here the which condition are required for the combustion. Combustion के लिए कौन सी required condition है? In which the first condition is the oxygen or the air. This condition, to understand this condition, we will go through an activity. You are observing here the diagram A, B and C. In this activity, we will take a burning candle and we will cover it with a chimney. This chimney is open from the above side and we will settle this apertures or chimney with the help of the two wooden blocks. Means here the below side of the chimney is the open with the help of the wooden block. In this first condition, this burning candle can get very easily oxygen from the below side of the chimney. So in this condition, the candle will be regular burn. And in the second condition, we will remove here, we will remove these wooden blocks from here. And in this condition, although chimney is open from the above side, but after some time, this burning candle will be start to flicker. And in the third condition, if we cover this chimney with the help of the wooden block, then after some time ये जो कैंडल है वो बुझ जाती है. तो इस एक्टिविटी से हम ये समझ सकते हैं, we can observe here that in the condition first, the chimney is open below side, so this candle can get oxygen very properly, so it will be continuous burn. And in the second condition, if we remove the wooden blocks from here, in this condition this burning candle will start to flicker. Flicker means ये थोड़ा सा बुझना स्टार्ट होती है. उसका कारण है because this burning candle cannot get the oxygen from the below side. परंतु इसके अंदर जो ऑक्सीजन है वो कुछ क्वांटिटी इस बर्निंग कैंडल के द्वारा यूज होती है. एंड इन द कंडीशन थर्ड, इफ वी कवर दिस चिमनी विद द help of the hardboard or the wooden blocks, in this condition the oxygen which is already present in this chimney has been used for the burning of the candle, but after the covering there is the no oxygen, और ऑक्सीजन नहीं होने की कंडीशन में ये कैंडल है वो बुझ जाती है. So student, by this activity we can understand here that it is very mandatory condition, it is the very mandatory to presence of the oxygen for combustion or burning of any substance. So student, today we have start our new lesson. We have studied about the combustion and we have to know how can we define the combustion. We have also studied some example of the combustion and the mandatory condition for the combustion, that is the air. So student, homework for today, you have to write the definition of combustion in your fair notebook and learn it. Thank you.